Sup guys, in this video I'm about to show you how to extract your FIFA 2025 PPSSPP. So firstly, you will need to locate where you downloaded your file or where you kept your PSP file. So mine is this one, and you click on it once, then click on view so you can open and view the files inside. After that, you select all, then copy. After copying, you look for your PSP folder, then you paste it in. But before you do this, you need to open your PSP emulator so you get all your folders to be replaced. And when you get here, all you will need to do is to wait till the extraction is done. Make sure you don't click on hide so that no file will be skipped. All of them will be extracted according to how it must be. Stay tuned for more amazing content on this channel. This video I'm about. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you get any latest new updates of your PPSSPP games and your FIFA 16 mod 25 update. And in no time I will be releasing FIFA 16 mod FC26 in no time. And if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you get any other new notification that will be dropped in this channel. Done with your extraction, you need to go to your ISO file again and repeat the same procedure as I did with your save data. So you locate and click on it and open. If you see the PSP game, you need to go to your PSP folder, then open your game, then you paste it in your game folder. After that, you will need to extract your shaders so that you will get the high quality color of your stadium pitch. And this is the one I'm extracting. All the link will be provided in WhatsApp channel, so make sure you join the WhatsApp channel for more amazing content. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.